Out here in the woods recording with the best trainer in the world. With the best trainer in the world.
Go, go. No. Go, go. Go, go. Wait. Go. Go, go. Come on, go. Let's go. Hey, here. Come down.
I made these clips to give you an idea of the character of this puppy. It also gives you an idea of his confidence and the level of his training so far at 3.5 months old. And I think he's doing pretty good. So I finally have a cameraman to hold the camera while I take another shot at trying to go to the top of this tower. Of course, I'm afraid of heights. And that's one of my fears, so having someone with me was a good confidence booster for me.
Faster. Faster. Good. Forward again. Stop. Wait. Now I'm scared of heights, y'all. Ain't gonna tell you no lie about that. Look out there, show them that. Show them out there. I hit to your left. Oh. Faster. What he does is get near me as close as he can all the time, and then he assesses where he should go. That's where it is. You see
When you begin to make your man stopper not a protection dog or just a sports dog, you have to be careful. These dogs are going to try to make their own judgment to get people.
Faster. Problem. Step. I don't know. I'm about to conquer fear with my dog. Little ragged ass pieces of wood. You know what? You know how I feel? Yeah. Yes. Come Good boy. You scared of heights? Come on up here. Look down. Come over here. I was thinking in my mind, and I was saying to myself, first time I brought him here, he got halfway up here, and he went on top up there, and I stopped back there and called it back, and I said to him, I said, boy, you know what? Feel good, feel like you're on top of the world. I'm gonna put you on top of the world. You took it to the top, son. I'm gonna put that dog name in every bloodline there is. Go. Go down. Go. Go, go. Go, go. Wait. Wait. Yes. Boy, if Master Von the Muff don't play around with that stuff out there, boy. That's why I keep a dog. I don't want nobody to take me to the top up there like that. Come on, Ryan. Come on, come on. Look, keep rolling, walk. Oh, good boy. Here you go. Come on. Wait. Hey, come on. You come in and lean on the wall over here. Well, y'all actually got a chance to see me go to the top of the tower when I always said I'm afraid of heights on water. Well, that was I stayed low, but I conquered one fear almost, and I did it. I couldn't have did it with nobody, with my best friend in the world. This little mutt right here. If you're looking for working puppies, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and call 904-450-3339. We are vanguard.com. Yes. Go, go.
You're looking for working puppies? Don't hesitate to pick up the phone and dial 904-450-3339. We are vanguardk9.com.